Hey YouTubers, I'm working on a tie rod outer end replacement. I just want to share a little experience with you guys for removing or breaking a rusty, you know, uh, drum nut from the tie rod end. This is the tie rod end still here. Over years they got, you know, just rusted, so you very hard to break, and especially when we all backyard mechanics, right? We have nothing raised higher for the vehicle, and we can only walk on the side or underneath, which is I don't really want to go to underneath. It's not safe, so normally I walk on the side. So the wheel well is only this big, so you have no way to put a leverage like a pipe or another wrench to to increase the leverage. So it's very hard to remove this thing or loosen this drum nut. So today I got something worked out, so I want to share with you guys. This is the Dodge Caravan. So I used just the jack from the vehicle itself, and then I two wrench. One is I believe the other one is 22 mil, and this one's 18 mil. So obviously we want to turn it just counterclockwise. So I just support this upper wrench somewhere. This one I use the it's the sweeper link, the nuts for the for the support. So I put this 22 wrench over here, and I at the 18 here, but obviously I have no leverage to turn this thing out. So what I'm doing is use the jack and put a little uh, raising a support over here, and just jack it up slowly. Be sure you need to wear safety glasses or even a face mask, something to protect yourself, because this thing, when you turn, the tension is really big, so you don't want it, it's bouncing out to hurt yourself. So, and then before you do that, you support it first, because this only have a very little rooming for you to turn, probably around, not even left and right, not even 30 degrees, and maybe 20 though. So you can only lower it to the other side, so you can move back to the other side just to loosen up, so you can punch the tie rod end out and then turn it. So before do that, I just mark a little note, make a little marking over there. You can see the red thing. So once I start to crank the jack, so I would be very carefully, because you really don't want to break anything, and you don't want to bounce the wrench on your face, that's for sure. So, and then you just raise really slowly, because when you use the jack, you only very little effort to raise this wrench up. So once the wrench up, you watch this red mark closely. See, this my one already breaking up. See, suppose they align together. So right now it's come to the left side, the left side over here. So you can see that the left side, that means already break off. You can see the rust here already break off. So that means it works. Okay, so you don't have to deal with a lot of muscle thing. So it's very easy, but you have to be careful. Okay, again, so just little jack, put the run, itself has a groove, over here on the top of the jack. You to put the wrench end over here. Right now it's on tension right now, because I still need to loosen up a little bit more. So you can see that here. This is the whole setup, just, yeah, okay, just want to share you, just you guys have something similar to this thing. You cannot deal with the muscle, so you may think about this idea. Okay, thank you for watching, and have a good one. Bye.